Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02281 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called /score. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So now what I am going to do, I am going to execute this query which I have copy pasted here. So I am going to create one sequence. Let us see what is going to happen after executing this query. Okay, ORA-02281 duplicate or conflicting cache or no cache specification. So here in the SQL query, I have mentioned two keywords cache and no cache at a time in same SQL query, which is not acceptable one. Either you mention no cache or cache. Okay, now I am correcting the SQL query. Let me execute it. Yes, now you can see that sequence is created successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-02281